Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's nothing harder, even in this day and age, than getting a label off of something. So that's why I love these YUUMEA double blade scrapers. The reason why I like these is that it does have the typical razor blade on one end, but on the other end, it has a plastic orange blade. And the reason why this is nice is that I make candles out of recycled goods, so very often I'm trying to get labels off of glass bottles. So if you are trying to get labels off of anything that's made of glass and you're using a razor blade, you're going to be concerned with putting any nicks or scratches into it. So it's nice having that plastic blade option so that you can get up underneath and get that label off, but not worry about actually damaging the beautiful glass that you're wanting to turn into a candle or any type of craft that you're trying to make it into. So I also use the other end, the razor blade, for cleaning the top of my stove. Just gets these particles of food that just get baked on. So the razor blade is perfect. Then you can wipe it off and it looks really nice. I think these are super important to have. It comes with a set of replaceable orange plastic blades and razor blades, which allows you to keep on using this for a good long time. So I definitely think this is something that you should have in your utility drawer or your craft room, but that's my point of view.